In this video, I'm just going to tell you that how you can easily fix notification not working on Facebook. So it's almost same on an Android or on an iOS. So first off, open up your mobile phone settings, and then just you can scroll down and find the option of notification. And if you didn't find, just click on this search bar and search for notification, and then just scroll down a little bit and you will find the option of notification over there, and then just click on app settings, and in the app notification just search for the Facebook. So click on this Facebook. So if someone have just turned off this notification option, just enable it. And the good feature is that you can separately set up notification setting of your multiple accounts. So you can see my starknace account have separately settings and this other account have separately settings. So there are a lot of categories like comments, tags, reminders. So in which category you want the notification of Facebook, just turn it on. Like there are multiple of the categories, so that's your choice. And what's the main thing here, just this option, all Facebook notification should be toggled on or enabled. So you are done with your mobile phone settings. So just simply close it, and now just get to the Facebook, and then just open up your Facebook and go to the menu and click on this gear to open up settings and privacy. It will just take a while, and then just scroll down, and here you will get the option of notification. Just click on this option. So here also you can set up your Facebook notification categories, and then just scroll down, and here you get the option of where you want to receive notifications. So that's there are the three choices: in push, email, or in SMS. Just click on this push. So the key is that option mute put notification on the very top should be toggled off, like someone have just turned it on. So just simply toggle it off in this way. So there are other options if you want vibrate, phone allergy, push notification, or logged out notification. So I hope it's helped you.